Today I'll show you how to navigate through the state reporting system, found at reporting.auditor.utah.gov. You can also go to our office's main webpage and click the Submit Reports button in the top right corner. Additionally, you can go to our Local Government Resource Center at resources.auditor.utah.gov and click on the State Reporting System link. This is the system that local government and nonprofit entities use to submit financial reports and budgets to our office. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create an account in the system, how to update your entity's contact information, and how to upload a report. This is the login page of the state reporting system, where you'll either log in or create a new account if you haven't already done so. If you made an account but forgot your password, click the Forgot Password button here. This will send an email to your account's email address, and you'll click the hyperlink in the email to be taken to a new web page to reset your password. To create an account, click the Create a New Account button and fill out the fields on this page. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in and click the Sign In button here. Here's the State Reporting System homepage. I can either submit a budget, financial report, impact fee report, or other document, update my entity's contact information, download forms used for submitting reports, and search reports that have been submitted to our office. And lastly, find our contact information. I'll start by updating my entity's contact information. We strongly encourage you to update this information each time you submit your yearly reports to our office, since our office relies on this contact information to ask follow-up questions or issue notices. To update, simply select your type of entity, then select your entity's name. Then click Next. You'll see the contact information we already have filled out in each field, which includes phone, fax, email, website, and physical and mailing addresses. If your mailing address is the same as your physical address, you can check this box. The last section is for entity contacts. You can designate a primary contact by checking this box so that this will be the first person we reach out to for any questions. It looks like our test entity doesn't have a contact designated as the Chief Administrative Officer or the Chief Financial Officer, so I'll update those roles by using the drop-down menus. Add a contact by clicking the Add Contact button, then filling in each field. Add your governing body members here as well, but make sure to add a unique email address for each member. If a contact is no longer with the entity, you can click the Delete button on the contact. Make sure to click the Save button before you leave the page. Now, let's submit a report. Submit a report by simply going to the top of the page and clicking the Submit button. It'll ask me for the entity type, name, and the fiscal year for which I'm submitting the report. Let's pretend I'm uploading my 2020 budget. I would click 2020, then click Next. Now we see the required reports for my entity. Now I'll click Upload to upload my approved budget. In the new window, I'll click Choose File, then browse to where I've saved my budget file on my computer. When I find the file, I'll highlight it, then click Open. Back at this screen, I'll click Upload. You'll see a green check mark that reads Success, action performed successfully. And you'll also now see the option to replace the document if it needs corrected. These small icons to the right will allow you to download the files you've uploaded. If you need to upload a document that isn't on this table, you can do so by clicking Upload a different report. In this new window, change the document type to Other, describe what it is, choose the file, then click Upload. You'll see the success check mark again, and then you'll see that the other document has been uploaded here. If at any time we find that the document needs corrected, we may change the status to Action Required in this status column. The state reporting system automatically sends emails to your entity when you have documents that are delinquent. A letter or postcard will be sent to your entity with details if you don't upload or correct the document. As a reminder, data uploads for the Utah Public Finance website or Transparency website are uploaded directly to that site. See our transparency videos on creating an account and uploading a batch for more info. To submit deposit and investment reports, which are submitted to the State Treasurer, please click this Settings icon in the top right of the screen and click Request for Access. Then click this checkbox next to Treasurer's Access. Then either click D&I Access, which stands for Deposit and Investment Report Access, or PTIF Access, or both. Then click the Request for Account Access button. Lastly, if you need assistance, go to our local government resource center at resources.auditor.utah.gov. Here you can find forms, manuals, and guides, training information, template policies, brief explanations, and checklists. You can also access other links and videos from our YouTube channel.